We're putting the solar on. Just drilling the holes to put the solar on. And we got 2 up here, 1 down here, and then eventually we'll get another one, and then maybe down here. There he is, putting it on. We came up to Flagstaff where it's cool out in the woods. It's too hot in Phoenix. So we came up here to work on our RV. Much nicer up here. He's doing pilot holes, the walnuts in there. Now we're doing the bigger holes. And squirted over.
Never have enough die core. Walnuts down inside each one of those.
Those little black things are called walnuts. Here. And we'll push them down in here. Maybe you have to do it. It's kind of hard. Okay, look at this. Now I'm doing it.
A little more die core.
Oh, a little more die core. And here we go. And then you put these little walnuts in here. And you can push that one in.
Yes, we're gonna make sure we got plenty of die core around every one of these. Because this stuff is what keeps the water from coming through.
Okay.
8. I should. I don't have enough of these damn screws.
Then we have one of these.
Well, we're gonna end up screwing the other ones down. Here we go. Let's see how these do. I didn't buy enough. I thought there was room.
Then you gotta do one of the lock nuts there. And then you put this little washer on.
Alright.
Like that.
So we need.
There you go. And then we're gonna tighten them up. And that little black thing squishes down. Squishes that black thing down. It creates a really good seal. And then we'll put the die core on top. So we don't want any water leakage. Well,
Plan B.
we tightened them up. And they didn't hold. They popped out. So we're gonna have to try a different way, I think. Maybe you didn't tighten it enough. Yep, didn't work. Well, on to plan B. Well, this didn't work. So
Don't use walnuts, regardless of what Renogy says.
Renogy was wrong on this aspect. It's a gooey mess. And now we got these stupid holes. I don't know if we can use, but anyway,
Well,
we can
can't
plug them
use
up.
the holes.
Ugh.
So we're on to Plan B.
All right, plan B, honey. Aren't you excited?
Alright, so what we need to do now is fill these holes up because we don't want this leaking.
Yeah. Well, at least we didn't drill them all first.
Well, we can just move over a little bit.
Okay, plan B.
Alright, so
We moved
then
it down a
this
little
makes
bit.
it a hell of a lot easier.
Put a bunch of die core underneath the flange, and then came up with a, what kind of screw is that?
Just a wood lag.
Wood leg screw. That's how we did it on our first camper. So we're just going to go ahead and do it this way. Because it worked the first time. And we just put a bunch of gooey, and then we'll just drill in there. Works much better. Nice and solid. So we're sticking with what we did on our first solar panels instead of trying something new. Oh well.
Yeah.
Okay. We got them all in. Made sure the cords are going this way. And we got them all screwed in and die-cord. Way up there. I don't even like heights, so I did pretty good. He's checking everything over. Making sure it looks good. We got the porch down today. It's our first time we left the porch. Pretty cool. We got our flag up. It's so pretty out here. Look at this. Yep. Working in the office. Out in the woods. Doesn't get better than this. There you go, honey. Woo! Okay, we did this is another part to the solar system. Mark's gonna go over what he did.
Kind of tight in here, but if you look back in there, you can see it's a double battery box. You want to stop it for a second. So we bought 2 of these battery boxes from an outfit that makes them in Canada, and they're big enough to hold 2 6-volt golf cart batteries. So I bought 2 of them because I'm going to have 4 batteries. 2 of them I already installed. I'm going to buy 2 more. I drilled the hole in the lid, and then I bought these from another camping discounter online so that I can actually vent this also. You can see that it came from the factory with 1 already installed. And if you look down inside, you see a hose runs from this vent down to the battery box. If you're using lead acid batteries, they have to be vented because they do off gas. So basically I screwed those down. I took the old one out. It had a single 12-volt deep cycle battery in it. So that's what we did.